Draping a sari is not everyone's cup of tea when especially you don't know how to drap a basic style. And so, we have come up with an easy options in ready to wear sari. Hello and welcome back to G3 Plus Fashion with me Hetal, your style expert, and today here I have the gorgeous pre-stitched and pre-draped ready-made sari for party and wedding occasion, and will show you 4 different concept styles which are in trend. The first pre-stitched sari concept I have in pleated pallu. The look of this one is in my personal favorite peach color of net lycra, which is stitched on the skirt petticoat, and the pallu drap is stitched in pleats till the shoulder. The sari has a golden handwork border and the blouse is a long length as has a Chinese collar with work around the edge. The second pre-stitched sari concept we have in gown style look. This sari is in golden lycra fabric which is perfect for cocktail hours. It has stitched pleats on skirt and the pallu drap is also stitched. Over the waist here is a designer handwork belt which is worn over the pleats to give it a whole gown look. The blouse is in navy velvet and a golden handwork. This pre-stitched sari we have in half and half and lehenga choli concept. There are 3 pieces of the sari, the A-line lehenga in a peach with network in a bottom half and butta, and the sari has only the skirt pleats stitched together which is shorter in length grey net, which is wrapped around the lehenga in one wrap, and the pallu is in cream lycra, blouse is in navy velvet with a handwork. You can wear this also as a lehenga choli by pairing a different dupatta. The last pre-stitched sari concept we have in layered and cowl pleats. A lovely dull pink pastel net lycra sari which has skirt, pleats stitched and over layered net with center opening and golden work butta in lower half. From left side the lycra is overlaid with pleats in cowl effects all around till back, and the pallu drap is also stitched in pleats. The blouse is in the same color in silk with golden work design in statement placement. Now you can wear a sari without knowing how to drap it with our pre-stitched sari collection, which is available to shop via G3 Plus video shopping via FaceTime or Skype, and also our website g3fashion.com. Let me know which was your favorite in the comment below, and do like, share and subscribe if you are new. Thank you for watching.